Add a labor to a repair order from vehicle history. If you're writing up a job that you've already done before on the same type of vehicle, you can search for that labor service in vehicle histories and add it to your RO. This feature saves you time having to look up that labor again, plus it provides consistency in your pricing if this customer has had the job done at your shop before. Let's take a look. Open a repair order, highlight a reason for service line to activate the Add Labors button, and we can either right-click or click the Add Labors button and select labor from vehicle history to view the labors sold for this vehicle list. Now, this list will include all the labor services sold for any matching vehicle in the system, not just in the vehicle history of Krista's F-150. We can also unselect Use Engine when searching to see any labors used on the same make and model, but a different engine. There's a rear brake job and an oil change on another F-150 with a different engine. More model-specific labors like a window regulator or a speed sensor might make more sense to look up this way than an oil change, since their labor times would be more unique. And we could see if it took extra time to actually do those labor services than the labor guide might account for. We can check this Show Labor Removed from History box to search for any labors that may have been removed from this vehicle history list. And here we have one in red type. We can right-click on that labor to make it available again. And note this labor might have been removed from this list because this particular job took more time, or since there are 3 types of axles we could be dealing with the F-150. Whatever the reason, you can take it off the list by clicking the Remove Labor from History List button. Now, if there's another make and model that may share the same labor times as our vehicle, we could click the Change Search button and reselect the year, make, and model, and those labor services could be selected for this RO. But we'll just click Cancel. Click in the Use column on the line of the labor service we want to add, and click the Select button. This will put that labor service on our open RO. Note here, the labor service selected will reflect the current labor rate and description for that labor service, regardless of what may have been written up in the labor description in the vehicle history, since the labor description can be edited and added to as needed. And this concludes the lesson on Add a Labor to a Repair Order from Vehicle History.